So members, let's see how do we handle directive proportionality or variation. But please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, here directive variation means if you have x value directed as y, it means an increase in x leads to direct increase in y. Or a decrease, if you decrease x, it means that also y is going to decrease. So if x varies directly with y, it means an increase in x leads to an increase in y. And a decrease in x leads to a decrease in y. As simple as that. So they are directed that what affects the other directly affects this one. So this one, it means that x is directly proportional to y. So this one is what we call the proportionality or the proportion sign. How do we remove it? We remove it by introducing a proportionality constant, as we are going to see. Look at this question now. Examples. X varies directly as y. So we write that statement. So x varies directly as y. As simple as that. Then we continue. When x is 4, y is 2. Now they are going to give you two values there. So that you get, when you do this, you remove this proportionality sign by introducing the proportionality constant. How? So x now is going to be, when you introduce equal signs, now you put k as your proportionality constant. So from here, start your x is equal to ky. So now you need to know what is this k, or the value of k. So they are going to give you information in the question to get that value of k. How? When x is 4, y is 2, you come and substitute here. They are telling that when x is 4, y is 2. So putting it here will be equal to k into 2. So you have 4 equal to 2, okay? Divide by 2, divide by 2, so that your 2 is equal to your k. So now you have the value of k. After getting the value of k, you write it again there. So your x is equal to k, y. But your k is 2, your x now becomes 2y. As simple as that. So now I get the value of this k. Now, remind me of one. They are asking you, find the x. So they want you to get x when y is 5. So you just substitute from this one in this formula. So you know that your x is equal to 2y. Your x will be 2, then times the value of y, which is 5. So your x will be 10 with its. As simple as that. When you come now from number 2, they want the value of y when x is 9. So you write this formula from x equal to 2y. So my x is 9. So 9 will be 2y. So that 9 over 2 will be equal to y. As simple as that. So that's how we handle that. When it comes to p is directly proportional to a square root of q. You write that statement. So p is directly proportional as a square root of a square. Whenever you see a word of square root, we put that root. That's why we have this of q. Square root of q. As simple as that. The next step is to remove this proportionality constant. Proportionality sign by introducing the proportionality constant. Meaning that now, from there, is that now my p is going to be, remove it, now we have k, now root to q. With it is. And then they are telling you that now after getting this, you need to get the value of this. They will give you that information in the question so that you get the value of k. Look here. When p is 2, q is 9. So they are telling you that when p is 2, q is 9. So from here you have everything. You know that your p is equal to k root q. So your p is 2 equal to k root 9. The q is 9. So from here, you see that you have 2 equal to k times 3. Because root over 9 is 3. And from here, you see that divide through by 3, you have your k there. So after getting your k, you write this statement again. from your p equaling to k root q, it means that now my p will be the value of k 2 over 3 then root q with ease. Now after doing that, we start answering the question. Problem number 1, find p when q is 4. So problem number 1, they want us to get p when q is 4. We put in this formula. Our p is 2 over 3 root q. So I want p, then root 4, because q is 4, which will be 2 over 3 times square root of 2, I mean square root of 4 is 2. So it's that your p is going to be 2 times 2, 4 over 3. Then you come from number 2. They want you to get q, so we want q when p is a 6. So we come back to our formula. Our p is 2 over 3 root q. So we want q, means that I'm going to take my p6 equaling to 2 root q. What am I going to do? I'm going to cross multiply. So I'm going to cross multiply this. I'll be adding 6 times 3 equaling to root q. So it's that now from there, I divide here, so I have 6 times 3 over 2 equaling to root q. So it's that this 1, this 3, 3 times 3, you get 9 equaling to root q. So how do I get this q? I square both sides. So 9 equaling to root q. And the whole square. So this will be 81 equaling to this because I read this. So my q is that with ease. So we come to this now also. They're saying m value selected as a cube. Now they're not putting, so just a cube, they're not putting anything like a root of n. So now it means that our m varies directly as a cube of n. A cube. If they said a cube root, then we would have introduced, but they are saying just a cube. Here we introduced the root because they are having something the root. So here it's just a cube, not the difference. So to remove this, we introduce the proportionality constant k and cubed. Now we need to get a value of k. So the information is given when m is 4. So when m is 4, comma, n is 2. We put here. So m is 4 equaling to k. Now n is 2. But remember, we have cube out. So this will be 4 equaling to k times 2 cubed is 8. So divide it this side. So 4 over 8 will be equaling to k. And that your k is going to be a half. When you divide this and this. So writing this statement back. Okay, and cubed is that my n will be. My k is a half. And cubed with is. So now I start find m when n is 3. So number 1, they want me to get n when n is 3. So from here, my n will be a half times 3. Now cubed. So my n will be, this will be a half times 3 cubed is 27, and my m becomes 27 over 2 with is. When it comes to my number 2, they want us to get n when n is 32. So we have n and 32, we want n. We come back to our formula, the one without a constant. So from our n cubed, so you see that my n is 32 equaling to a half n cubed. So when I cross multiply, I'll be adding equaling to n cubed. So this will give me 64 equal n cube root. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to get a cube root both sides. 64, a cube root of n cube root. You see that this build up. So cube root of 64 is 4. And my n is that. So members, that's how we handle direct. Now in the next lesson, we are going to see how we handle inverse proportionalities. I wish you the best.